Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope everyone had another wonderful week. My name is Bjorn. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different than our normal video. I know the last few videos it has been either improving, fixing, or making something. Today we're going to tear stuff apart. Earlier this year I got into scrapping out computer motherboards, towers completely, monitors, any kind of electronic I can get my hands on that we had no other use for. I figured their best purpose was, let's have fun with some metal and some fire. There's just something about taking something that you can't destroy and destroying it with a bunch of heat. So with that, let's get into breaking stuff. What we have here is an old school cassette player. Doesn't have a year. I'm assuming the sound is Vega sound. Never heard of them. There's not even a year on the serial. So, batteries that expired in 2001. For those of you who don't know what a cassette player are, assuming you're actually younger than me, which I would be very surprised, these are old school MP3 players. These are old school CD players. They didn't have a lot of memory. They held, 12 songs I think, I don't know. Didn't use them all that much. Had one. Let's see what's on the inside of this. Let's take a look at this plate here. I'm not seeing a bunch of anything that could be of any real use. Not even any magnets, so scrap. Oh, I gotta love that old board smell. Looks like this is gonna turn out to be a bust. I haven't seen anything on this board worth keeping yet. So we're just going to go ahead and stop at this plate. I've got a magnet. We'll test it. I can almost guarantee you this is not aluminum, so it's worthless to me. So, put our magnet. Definitely not aluminum. A little disappointing, but we've got two more objects. Let's go ahead and get to work on those. This is our next victim. It's a Lasonic, 3-inch personal DVD player. Me and my little brother got one of these when we were, hell, I think I was still maybe 11, 12 years old. Let's go ahead and look at it. So we've got our audio-visual ports. Yeah, whatever. 2 headphones jacks for 2 people to watch on a 3-inch TV. That's about it. Let's tear it open. The battery really have to be that big? That is massive. Little tiny speakers. Might actually keep those. See if I can do something with them. Wouldn't you know it? Nothing I can use once again. There's some little trace amounts of copper in there. Not worth my time. But this is always fun. take our magnet. Yeah, not aluminum. Let's go ahead and take this window off. These little packs right here, if you rip them open, you'll find more copper wire. This one's really small. Once again, not going to waste my time. Next up, we got this Fatality Sound Blaster pulled out of an old PC. Let's see what we get in here. Right in here, we have some connection pins. Some of them are gold plated, some of them can't really tell. So we're going to go ahead and pull those out now. Looks like we have some more gold plate right in here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to set this off to the side for processing for maybe another video. I might do it off screen. I don't know yet. Fairly certain this is steel. Doesn't hurt. Take a magnet. Sticks. Sticks. Last up we have this old LG Rumor. Old school little keyboard phone. These used to be really cool. Now they're virtually worthless. Unless they have something inside for me. Now some electronics will have little pads that are used to, I don't know if you can see that, there we go. Little pads that are used to hide screws. As you can tell, this is pure plastic. Old keypad. And it looks like along these connections we do actually have some gold plating. Definitely some gold plating. You can see it along the back a little bit. I see a little bit more gold right in there. Main keypad. And look at that. Not a complete bust after all. As you can see, that wasn't a complete bust. One thing to remember is with tearing apart these older boards and electronics, and really any kind of electronics and stuff, is it's not about the money. For me, it's about having fun. It's seeing what makes other things run, what pieces go to what, and tearing it apart and making something out of nothing. These were virtually worthless pieces of equipment. I can turn that into something. It's not a lot, and it's more or less going to be for fun. Like I had mentioned in my introduction video about a month or so ago, I'm into metal casting. That's what I'm looking for with aluminum and copper. Gold's literally just going to be just for fun. There's nothing else I can really do with it other than when all is said and done, I can go, this is my little piece of gold. I made this. I've got a whole storage unit full of this stuff to tear apart for you. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you find anything in it interesting. It's cold as all hell out here, so I'm going to go ahead and go inside. I hope you guys all had a wonderful time watching this video. Everyone have a great next week. I'll see you, probably not. Next week, I believe it's Christmas. I could be wrong about that. We'll find out. So there may or may not be a video next week. I would also like to thank my little brother. For him, he up and gave me his camcorder to go ahead and use this. It's a Sony Handycam. It's a lot better than my phone. So the video quality should be a lot better, and I should be able to do a lot more with my videos because of this. So don't forget, he'll be up visiting in like 3 weeks. Yeah, less than 3 weeks. So be watching out for the AK versus AR-15, Army Airborne versus Air Force Security Forces shootout. We may throw some handgun in there to kind of level the playing field. I hope everyone has a great night. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel. Have a good night.